Now, in this video we will see how we can make a package or a library. I told you package and library are similar words. What is a package? A package will contain many modules together. Okay. Supposing you have 5 related modules and you want all those 5 modules to be together under a common namespace. They should be called by a single name. Then what you can do is you can put them into a package. What happens when you write various functions, various keywords in Python? These all are put under the standard library. There is a standard library, and standard library is automatically, or standard package is automatically included any program that you write. That's why we never mention the name of the package when we write a general program in Python. But there are other libraries and there are other packages also. Okay, if you want to make use of them, for example, you have used math module, okay, math dot whatever, with different functions you have used. Those basically cover very simple mathematical functions. But if a complex kind of mathematical function is to be used, especially the ones which are used in statistical analysis and all, then you have to import a different package. Fine. Then the standard library will not help you, or math dot any no function is there under math which is going to help you in that case for very complex kind of statistical functions and analysis. So basically we need to sometimes include the packages also in our program. Like in the previous example, we have seen that we are borrowing or importing a particular module in our current program and making use of its function or its object. Similarly, it is possible to borrow or import a complete package or a complete library into our current program and make use of different modules that will be found under it. Okay, that's what we are going to learn, how we can make a package and how we can import it. Let us today learn only how to make this kind of package first of all. So there are some steps. Listen to this very, very carefully. First of all, your package is nothing but a simple folder. Okay, you just have to create a folder or a directory, which we from MS-DOS environment, folder is called directory, you know that. So like the way these folders can have subfolders, so directories also can have subdirectories. That is folder within a folder. Same thing. So directory and folder are same thing. So first of all, you have to make a folder. Say you decided that there are 5 modules which are to be part of a library or a package. You found them related and you thought that I should put them under a same package or same library. So what you did, you just created a folder called try. This is the name of your folder. Fine. And you thought that 5 modules, let me call them mod 1, mod 2, mod 3, mod 4 and mod 5. There are 5 modules. Now modules, you know, they must be having a extension .py. So mod 1.py, mod 2.py, mod 3.py, mod 4.py and mod 5.py. These 5 Python files or .py files are 5 modules, and what you have to do is you just have to copy them under the folder trial. So what I did, first I created a folder trial, then I thought these 5 modules should be together under this package, so I copied and pasted them under this directory. Okay, but if I just copy them into a particular folder, that folder will not be recognized as a package. Then how to make it a package? How a program would come to know that trial is the name of a package and it's not just a folder? To do that, listen to this very, very carefully. To do that, we need to copy here another file. Which file? The name of the file is this. We write underscore init, init underscore .py. Now what should be there under this file? For time being, I will tell you, you just open a Python file, just Python screen, a new file you open and just save it blank. No need to write any code. Just save the file as underscore init underscore .py. This particular file, the blank file, has to be copied here. That is underscore init underscore dot py. So along with these 5 modules which you wanted to be the part of trial, a blank file name must be underscore init underscore dot py. By this name, a blank file must be copied into the same directory. If you do this, Python code is written such a way, Python compiler will instantly understand the moment this file is there. The Python compiler will instantly understand that trial is not just an ordinary folder, it is a package. Therefore, it is possible to, for a current program, for a different program, to call one of these modules with the help of this package name. Fine. We will see that here we have to mention the package name also. Earlier we just wrote the module name and made use of it. Here we have to mention the package name also. How to make use of it, that I will discuss later. Now, what do you need to do? My package is ready, but this package has to be in a particular place. Where that package would be? We have to find out a directory in the Python, the directory, fine, wherever you have loaded the Python, there has to be a directory called site packages. Okay, this folder will be there. Okay, now this is not same in all the computers. It depends how you have installed Python in your computer. Fine. From whichever directory Python loads, in that directory you have to find for the folder called site dash packages. How will you find that out? It is very difficult for you to find. So what you can do is, in simple Python shell, you can give a command import site. First you write, and then you write another command import site dot get site package. Now here there is no dash required. Packages. Import site dot get site packages and a function symbol. The moment you put that function, what will happen? And press enter, you will get to see 2 path names will be given. 2 path names will appear in a list kind of thing, as if there are 2 elements in the list. The first one will be the default directory, the directory from where the Python compiler is loaded. And the second one, the second path name, observe it very, very carefully. It will show you the path name of this site package. It will show you the direction how to go to site package. So that is how you can look at this particular folder. Why you have to look at this particular folder? Because in this particular folder you have to copy this entire package. That means this whole trial, that whole folder has to be here. Then only what you can do, you can copy, you can access various modules and the methods or the functions under these various modules from this package or the library. But always our package may not look that simple. As I was explaining in my previous video, that sometimes this folder structure or the directory structure might be a little complex depending on the situation. Though you don't have to work in such a complex way, but it's better to know the rule. Like look at this, that's why I made another structure here. Say my folder, main folder is student. And under this main folder student, I just wanted to have 2 more folders. One is house, another is address. Now under student I wanted to add module 1, under this thing student I wanted to have module 2, but under this subfolder or the subdirectory I wanted to have module 3, module 4, and under this subdirectory address I wanted to have module 5, module 6. In that case, if we just include the module just like this, is it going to work? No, it's not going to work that way. As I told you that this file plays a very, very important role in order to recognize a folder to be a package. So what you need to do, we need to copy here this init.py. You'll be surprised to know that even after copying this under this folder, it is not going to help us, since house and address, these 2 are the subfolders. So here also we need to copy this file init.py, and here also this is also a subfolder, so here also we need to have a presence of underscore init underscore .py. The moment we put this blank file under the name underscore init init_py, then only he will be recognized as a package. Because here what's happening is, here we have two packages under another package. So it is a package under package, like folder under folder. So every subfolder or every sub package must also have this file. Just like the way he has one _init_py, his components also should have the same file. And as I told you, nothing to write into this file. Normally they are not left blank in a very high level of programming. Now we are not working in that high level, so you don't have to really know what basically written under it. For time being, what you do is just open the file, and basically what you do is just save a blank file by the name _init_.py, and then this whole structure, that means this whole folder student, has to be copied. Where it has to be copied? It has to be copied under the folder called site-packages. This particular folder you have to locate in your own computer. I know some of you are using Python at home. It will not be same location for everybody. Fine. So you just have to find out the presence of this folder using these two commands.